Always be creative because you are creative. You are more than regular. You are creative personified. You are amazing identified. You are simply fantastic. Always be affirming, saying I am everything that I'm trying to be, and I am nothing that I am not trying to be. Amazing is me, and I am incredible. Infuse positive words in negative worlds ruled by pain and put downs. You must be your source of your push-ups when the world pushes down. Heavy at times, but not that heavy. Painful at times, but not that painful. Impossible at times, but what's impossible? Improbable leaves the room when a beast enters. So dominate your domain. You are magnificent. Medias melt down in your presence. Ideas always on fire. Information finds you. We seek your knowledge. You speak our everything. Understand your worth. We need you. We seek you. No other you around. We speak you. No other you around. Unique you. You are phenomenal. Unbelievable. Make sure to believe too. Make sure this is how you see you. Repeat positivity after me. I am amazing. I am incredible. Every day I work to become everything that I want to be. I am every day. I am everything. I am becoming more than they said I was going to be, because hard work is me. I am beaming. I am beautiful. My brilliance results in bountiful benefits. I count all small victories and show gratefulness. Plus, I'm great at this. I am consistently repeating affirmations every morning for these guaranteed consequences, positive benefits. Self-care is my responsibility. I'm responsible for my happiness. I am possibilities and opportunity personified. I am powerful. I am in control of my world. After repeating these, you must truly believe and know these positive things.